2006 GMC. I'm going to raise the truck now. This is a regular driver's license under CDL, continuous rotation buggy truck. Take a look. Beautiful sandblast prime and paint. Nice buggy truck, nice tires here. She's ready to go, ready to make you money. Let's walk on around here and take a look. Thank you again for watching our video. Take a look at this beautiful back end here. We've got fresh paint on it. It's ready to go and ready to make you money. Give me a call on my cell phone at 260-760-5052. Take a look under. If you'd like to see any other video clips, we're showing that the boom is working. I'm gonna now put the dump body down. I'm gonna operate it from the tower controls and show you. Let's continue to walk around in here. Thanks for watching our video. I'm gonna put the dump body down. This is a power up, power down body. So it goes slow up and down. Right now we're running off the Kubota pony motor. I'm gonna use the power controls and we're gonna put the boom back in its place. Demonstrate the outriggers. I'm going to put this up right here. You can see the outrigger going up. We're going to go around the other side and put it up. Thanks again for watching our video of our 2006 GMC. Watch that outrigger go up. Flawless operation. All right, now let's step on over here. Here's your pony motor controls. We're gonna shut that off and we're gonna go for a quick test drive. Here we've got a low mileage 2006 GMC gas for the pony motor. And we're going to show you how she goes. It's one thing for me to tell you and one thing for me to show you. Take a look at this 2006 GMC. Take a look here. I'm going to get it in the right gear and out we're going to go. This thing has lots of power for an 8.1 liter gas engine. Take a look at the dash. Everything looks good. You can see we're out driving down the road. This thing runs and drives great. It operates good. Give me a call on my cell phone at 260-760-5052. Thanks again for watching the video.